Good day everyone. In this video, my intent is to calculate the arc length and sector area of circles. But before I do so, I would like to review parts of a circle. So we have a circle here. We want to go through the parts of a circle. We have the center, one end, going through the center to the next end of the circle is called the diameter. This is an example of the diameter. An example of our radius is from the center to the circumference. Center to circumference, diameter, radius. Center to circumference, this is our radius. One part of the circumference going through the center to the next part of the circumference is our diameter. So immediately we can see that the radius is half of our diameter. So for instance, if our diameter is 10, then our radius will be 5, okay? If our diameter is 10, the radius will be 5. Why? It is so because the radius is half of the diameter. Let us look at another part of the circle. Around. This is called the circumference. Okay, that's our circle. When a line starts, it touches the circumference and it goes. This is called the tangent to the circle. All right. Let me use another circle for the other parts. The chord. It goes from one end to the next of the circle, but it does not go through the circumference. So that's the representation of a chord. All right. The segment now. That's my segment. And if I want a sector from the center of my circle to the circumference, Now this region here, this is my sector. It is going to come out in our examples. So I decided to show you the parts of the circle prior. So this region represents segment. This shaded region represents sector. All right. Now, we have arcs on a circle. If I highlight just this piece of the circle, okay? This is a part of my circumference. When less than half is highlighted, it is called the minor arc. As we know, the circumference has two arcs, major arc and minor arc. So this highlighted strip, once it is less than half of the circle, it is called the minor arc. So it means that this remaining piece of the circle, we can call it our major arc. So we need to remember certain concepts when we go to arc length and sector area. Okay? And sector area, we can use the sector when we think about a piece of cake or a piece of pizza. Okay? Say this circle is my pizza. Each of those pieces we cut the pizza into. Yes, it is a fraction of the entire pizza, but we can also call it a sector if we want to make real life connection with the circle and a pizza. We can use this aspect. So this is going to come out in what we are going to do. The pizza slice that is called a sector. It is a part of the entire circle or the entire pizza. All right? I hope I was clear as possible, because we are going to use these concepts now. You may not hear us talking about the tangent, but you may hear the terms diameter, radius, sector, arc, right? So much for this lesson. You may post any comments, any questions you have. Thank you.